up, guys? Get the headache rack in. Box is beat up, that's fine. They just did durability tests on the way here, I guess. Some nice fellows. Yeah, they just made sure she was sound, I guess. I don't know. This thing is gonna look nice up there, though. Get to see it unboxed. See what it looks like. Let's open this thing up. Oh, she is gonna look nice on here. It's from Arby's. And I think she's gonna look stout. Ooh. She's gonna look nice. She's gonna get it all the way out. I'll show you guys. There it is next to the truck. Just gotta get it in now. Thing is nice looking. Got R's right there. Gonna gather the scene in now. Well, we got the headache rack in. We got the stack spaced up more. She's looking sharp, bud. Looking nice. We space the stacks up to kind of get the angle correct. We just gotta go get some more exhaust to hook it up because we gotta space it up. So it's gonna take more pipe, but she is gnarly looking with that setup, dude. Gonna run into town, get some more pipe, hook it up, and see how it is. Well, guys, stacks are back. Space them up. Got the headache rack. Everything's pretty much perfect. Looking nice. Really makes a big difference in how the truck looks. Looks so much better now. Looks taller. Looks meaner. It really finishes off the bed. Well worth the money. It just makes the whole truck look way tougher and taller. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. 5 reasons everyone should have a lifted truck.